Hi everybody. Today's lesson is going to be a little bit different, so pay attention closely. So it's day 3, lesson 3 of stress management. Today's assignment, so lesson 3 is going to be due at midnight. So lesson 1 and 2 are still due Friday at midnight, but this one is going to be due Sunday at midnight, and you will see why. All right. So you guys are going to put into action everything you've learned this week so far by interviewing somebody in your household that is high school age or older. Okay, so make sure you plan it out with whoever you're planning to interview so that you have time to interview them. You'll have time to ask questions in class if you have them, and then you'll have the weekend to interview somebody. So if you can't get it done during Monday through Friday, that's fine. We'll give you Saturday and Sunday to get that done as well. All right. So task 1 for today, you're going to watch the video explaining this whole process for you, what you're doing now. So good job. Task 2, you're going to watch the lesson from today, and then task 3, you're going to conduct the interview. So task 2, you'll just click on this video after you're done watching this one. And then task 3, here we go. The meat and potatoes. So you're interviewing someone in your household. First, you must learn the information. After you've learned it, you are going to teach it to somebody in your household that is high school age or older. So they have to be a freshman or above. After teaching them, you're going to set up your video camera and record yourself asking this person these questions that I have provided for you. Okay, so if you go to our PDF, which I'll go to here in a second, there's 2 pages. The first page is called Skills for Dealing with Stress, and this is what you are learning and what you are teaching your interviewee, so the person you are interviewing. Page 2, there's going to be questions on it. Those are the questions you're asking them after you've taught them page 1. Okay, so this is the PDF here. This is what you are learning and what you are teaching them. Okay, so these points are what you are teaching them, the whole page. Make sure you cover all of it. After you've taught them, then you're going to set up your video camera and you are going to interview them asking these 3 questions. Okay, so they should know these questions after you teach them what is on the first page here. Okay, when you're done with your video, you'll just turn it in. But things to think about during your video, you and the person you're interviewing have to be seen in the video. Okay, so if I was doing it right now and I was interviewing somebody who is behind the camera, that wouldn't work. Okay, the person is my coffee thermos. Okay, they have to be in the screen with me so I can see both of you. All right, you also have to ask them all 3 questions and they have to answer all 3 questions. Okay, if you do those 3 things, you should get all your points and then enjoy the rest of your weekend.